Hi everybody and welcome back to the Cute Kitchen. Today we're going to be making 4 easy mug crumbles, so let's get into it. First we're going to be making a peach and strawberry mug crumble. In a large cup or mug, add half a cup of peaches, 5 strawberries, rinsed and quartered, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 knob of butter. Now mix it all together. Now you should add cling film and pierce the top several times. Now put this in the microwave for 1 minute at 800 watts or 50 seconds at 1000 watts. Now to a small bowl, add 1 slice of butter 5 milliliters thick or 15 grams, 1 tablespoon of soft light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Now massage with your hands until you achieve a small breadcrumb texture. Now break up 2 amaretti biscuits and place them into your crumble topping. Now take off the cling film from your peach and strawberry mixture, but make sure you're careful because it is very hot. Then strain your fruit using the sieve. You can now add your crumble topping to the fruit. You can microwave this at 1 minute for 800 watts or 50 seconds at 1000 watts. Let it cool a little before eating. Next we are going to be making the cinnamon and apple mug crumble. Peel, core, then dice 2 apples. Now add this to a large mug. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a slice of butter. Now mix this all together. Add cling film over the top and pierce with several holes. Now microwave this for 2 minutes at 800 watts or 1 minute and 30 seconds at 1000 watts. Next, to a small bowl, add 15 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of soft light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now mix together all the ingredients with your fingertips until it forms the crumble topping. Remove the plastic wrap and strain the fruit. Now add the crumble topping to the fruit and microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds at 800 watts or 1 minute and 10 seconds at 1000 watts. And that's it, the crumble is done. Next up is the blueberry and lemon mug crumble. Add 15 grams of butter to a microwave safe cup. Then melt this in the microwave. To this, add 1 small egg, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mix. Now cover with plastic wrap and pierce with several holes. Cook for 30 seconds at 800 watts or 20 seconds at 1000 watts. Now add 30 grams of lemon curd. Now add 2 tablespoons of blueberries. And mix. Cover again and cook again for 30 seconds at 800 watts or 20 seconds at 1000 watts. In a small bowl, mix 15 grams of butter with 1 tablespoon of heaped soft brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Then add the zest of half a lemon and mix together. Mix and then add the crumble topping to the top. Now microwave this for 1 minute at 800 watts or 50 seconds at 1000 watts. Next we are making the raspberry, apple and white chocolate mug crumble. Peel and dice 1 apple. Then add this to a large cup. Add a slice of butter, a tablespoon of sugar, then mix. Cover with cling film, then pierce, and then microwave this for 1 minute at 800 watts or 50 seconds at 1000 watts. Strain off any excess liquid. Add 1/3 cup of raspberries, then mix. Set this off to the side. In a small bowl, mix together 15 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of soft light brown sugar, and 2 heaped tablespoons of plain flour. Add a handful of chocolate chips and crumble it up. Now add the crumble to the top of your fruit mixture and microwave this for 1 minute at 800 watts or 50 seconds at 1000 watts. And that's it, all our mug crumbles are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.